Make a great choice today with the 2024 F-150. This vehicle is powered by a 4-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 3.5-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, 4-wheel drive, rear step bumper, blind spot monitor, tow hitch, chrome wheels, heated mirrors, alloy wheels, remote engine start, brake assist. Inside you'll find navigation system, backup camera, smart device integration, keyless entry, heated front seats, security system, auto dimming rear view mirror, PPO, cruise control, trip computer. Your new ride is just a phone call away.